Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to improve image quality in the Pixlr app. It is a very easy process, so let's dive right in. First of all, find the Pixlr app on your home screen. Now open it. Then choose one photo that you want to edit it. Then here you can find the option of tools. Now go ahead and select it. Then slide the slider to smooth the image, just like this. Now you can see the smooth level right here. Now choose one and simply tap onto the check mark. Now we can see the image has a little better quality than the previous one. And that's it. This is how you can improve the image quality in the Pixlr app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.